let's talk about things that are biodegradable. Nowadays, you have the marketing that tell you that things are compostable or biodegradable. But remember back in the day when you were a kid and you'd have a banana and you would throw it out the window, and as soon as it hit the ground, it would start to break down. It would take time, and the reason being is because you'd have the heat, you'd have the air, you'd have the microbes, and you'd have other things that would help to speed up the process. But I'm not sold on this marketing where they say things are biodegradable or compostable, because I have seen other YouTube videos where they put things in there and it has not broken down yet. So if you're marketing this, prove me wrong, let me know, give me a time frame how long it will take for something to break down, and show me the method of how it breaks down. But I know for a fact, if something gets hot enough, it will break down. But I know biodegradable things are such as your cardboard, food scraps, newspaper, and things like that. But like I said, this biodegradable and compostable material, I'm just not sold. Even if making things out of bamboo, I know bamboo will probably break down because it's a tree, but if they put like any type of like extra coatings over it, that might not make it biodegradable. But if you're a marketer, prove me wrong, give me a time frame and show me that it takes this long for something to break down. So what are your thoughts, viewer? Leave your comment in the box below. Here's another video to watch. I want to take time out to say thank you so much for watching this one, and you have a great day. Bye.